What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a tool shelf once again. Hopefully everything turns out right, you guys. Now, I did not get the same shelf, but I do plan on getting the same shelf that I did purchase. I'm gonna give it a while. I'm gonna let the dust clear and then I'll purchase it again. I'll do the install and everything. This time it will be a little faster, and just to see if everything installed properly. The proper place to do this would be the garage, you guys, but the garage is a total mess. All right, so right here we have the grate. This is definitely better quality, you guys. I can actually feel the different quality in the metal. We got one. This is the bracket right here. Okay, now we're talking. We have our parts list. Ooh, this bad boy. All right, so if this is how long it is, it looks longer on you guys. I have to start looking at dimensions before I buy stuff. I'm a victim of pictures. So when I see the picture, I assume that the object is bigger than what it is in the picture. You know how in the rear view mirror they said objects could be bigger or something like that? Whatever it says in the rear view mirror, apply that to this. All right, so we have hooks. Well, not technically hooks, but attachments to where you can hang stuff. All right, put that to the side. Now we have here screws and anchors. Of course, the anchors are for if you don't have no like wood or nothing behind your drywall, then you definitely need anchors, you guys. Especially if you're gonna put some heavy tools on it. All right, we have this other shelf right here. And this shelf here has holes on it. So I'm pretty sure this is the one you could put screwdrivers and stuff you need to put on there. All right, we have all of our grates. We have all of our grates and stuff. You guys, I'm not gonna take too long with this build. I wanna get right on into this because I wanna put this up because I'm still painting, but I wanna put this up so I can have somewhere to put my drills. So I wanna get this done and over, okay? So what we're gonna do is go ahead and get into it. So step one, wow, it's telling us to install everything. Wow. Okay, so with you guys, these instructions. I hate these instructions right here, you guys. Not even gonna lie. And if y'all ask me where it's made, I guess they too embarrassed to say. It should say where it's made. More than likely it's probably made in China. All right, so let's go ahead and get our parts out. All right, we're just dumping everything. And this already has a hole. So hopefully this is not used. I pray this is not used because I don't want to go to return. I don't want to return, you guys. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and get into this. Let's get into this. All right, you guys, so step one, we have our side piece right here. And it says the grate, this little handle here goes up and down. I'm gonna put y'all back some more so y'all can see. I believe this was used, you guys. These screws look like they was driven in a wall already. Man, don't tell me these people just put this stuff back in the box and shipped it again. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, you guys, so this should be simple. The screw holes is right here on the side, right here on this plate. So you want to put it right in the center, and then we are going to pre-screw. Hopefully I'm not scratching my table. That was the whole purpose of me getting the mat. Now this may be a little challenging, but yeah. This is a pretty good size. It's a decent size. It's not like super big, but if you look at the Amazon picture, it's bigger. So we righty-tighty these up. All right, now we're gonna hook up the other side. And I'm going just like how they have in the picture, you guys. We will grab this other corner right here. 2 screws, 1 on each side. This one is actually going on better than the other one, you guys. This feels like an easier setup. Right. So I have it loose a little bit so I have some type of flexibility. So when I put this middle shelf on, we should be good. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the middle shelf on, and I don't believe there's a front or back to this. I believe it's universal. What we're going to do is start from our side over here, and we have 2 hole slots here. I'll put it on right there. You guys, this is so easy. I love this one. Go ahead and put these on, and then I'll tighten them up last. You guys, this review, this install is quick, you guys. I'm so in love right now. You can slide, and then you have to screw it. And what does it say to screw with? Okay, so it says P. What is P? Is there a P? Yes. Okay, so there's one here with like a little weird dome head to it. Okay, a nut. All right, it's telling us to hang it on step 2. All right, so step 2, it says screws go in on the bottom of this thing. So you actually have screws on the bottom here as well you could put in. So we'll see about that. All right, so we are going to go ahead and put this on. Wrong way. Oh, was I going? Okay. Okay. My bad. I went the wrong way. Operator error on that. I'm gonna write myself up on this one. Now the hole's facing on the bottom. All right, do this times 4. Nice and easy, you guys. I'm loving this so much. This one is a little bit bigger than the other one though. You can put more drills on this one. So it definitely wins in that category. I believe if I put these 2 screws on, I may not need that middle screw to hold this together. I'll let y'all know. Time to tighten it up, you guys. And I know y'all can barely see what I'm doing, so my apologies on that. This is my 3rd screw, and right now we're getting into the 4th screw. All right, you guys, I don't even need this other screw right here. All right, now this is kind of wonky. Maybe, oh no, it is kind of wonky. It's like this metal has to be bent down some, but it's fine right now. We have this piece right here, this piece right here. So this goes on the bottom like this, and you got 2 screw holes that's on the bottom right here. Oh, don't scratch my table. All right. So this goes on the bottom like that, you guys. So we're looking good, you guys. We're looking good. Now you could have did this vice versa if you wanted to. You could have put this on the top if you want to, and then you could put this on the bottom. It's your choice. I'm just installing it the way that I see it on the paper. So let me. Wait, what's wrong? Okay. Right. So everything nice. All right. Step 4 is the hooks. Already put 1 hook in. Slide in, aim down. Want to do another one in the middle. And then if I want to do another one right underneath. So this is all personal preference. I might not even leave them there, but it just gives you an idea of how to put it in there. And that is it, you guys. Let's go ahead and put this thing back up. I'll tell y'all another issue that this thing has. The screw head is too big for this thing. So if you wanted to just go ahead and take it off real quick, like say you want to leave the screws on like a regular mirror, I can't take it off. The screw head is too big. Let's finalize this thing. All right, you guys, so here goes the shelf. All right, now, one thing you can notice is you see the metal right here. This is not strong metal, you guys. So it's strong enough to hold the drill, but you actually have to bend it up and hopefully don't break it. I'm bending. It looks like it's getting better, but as you can tell, it's not aligned like the others are aligned. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but you see that one's going up, up, then coming back down. and then down. So this is one of my tool organizer cases right here. Now, if you look at the Amazon description, you guys, I gotta stop buying things by feelings. I have to actually start reading the description. All right. So this is fine. I will actually accept it like this. But if you look online, everything just looks big on the picture. So I'm thinking that this thing would be big and it will fit, like, you know, this shelf will come out to the edge of my little organizer suitcase right here. It wasn't that much of a headache to build, you guys. It took like 20 minutes on camera. It took me 20 minutes. And that's just me, you know, setting up the camera and stuff. In reality, it will take like 15 minutes to put this thing together. So other than that, that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.